For the non-SR latch, we assume that initially the condition is 0 and determine the Q output waveform for the non-SR latch. So this circuit configuration provides the feedback to produce the memory function. If you see here, there are two NOR gates connected with each other by using feedback from the first input. For example, this one from the first input, we go to the output of the second NOR gate. Okay. And then we have an output of Q and Q bar. So NOR SR latch is considered as the active high latch. Okay. So this is the block diagram of the SR and this is the table of the SR operation. Okay, if you see from the latch here, the NOR gate is used to construct the latch. Okay, so if you see from the condition of the NOR gates, so for the conventional cases, we have 2 input and 1 output. Okay, so we have AB as input and we have the output. Okay, so for the 4 possible combination of AB, so this one you already learned in the previous chapter. Okay, so the combination of the OR gate with the inverter will produce the NOR gate. Okay, so for the first operation, if the input is 0, 0, it will be going out from the OR gate, this one will become 0. Then we have to invert this thing, this one will become 1. Okay, so all the operation here will be inverted into the original OR operation. So 0, 1, then this one will become 0. So also 0 and this one also 0. Okay. So if you see the pattern of the NOR gates, once you have any of the input of your NOR gate is 1, the output will become 0. Okay. So can we check this one first? The condition of SNR is 1, 0. Because we want to know what is the output operation of the NOR latch. Okay. So if your set is 1 and reset is 0. So what will happen to the Q and Q bar? Okay. So for example, you put input SS equivalent to 1 and R equivalent to 0. So 1, 0. So 1, 0. So any input with the OR gate with the value of 1 will produce the output of 0. So you can expect here your Q bar will become 0. Okay. So if your Q bar is 0, automatically your Q will become 1. Okay, that's why you got the output to be set. Okay, and then we do for the combination of SR is 0, 1. S is 0, while R is equivalent to 1. Okay, so from here, you can try to check what is the output for the NOR latch. Okay. Okay, so if the combination of S is 0 and reset is 1. Okay, so what we have, every NOR gate input of 1 will produce the output of 0. So here the input is 1, and the input of the NOR gate is 1, so your Q will become 0. In this case, your Q is reset 0 and your Q bar automatically will be inverted from what you have in the Q. So this one will become 1. Okay, that's why you got the reset function for the NOR SR latch. Okay, and then we see what does it mean by the no change here. Okay, so no change means that it will keep the memory. Okay, so we do for both cases because we want to know what is the output for S equivalent to 0 and R equivalent to 0. Okay. So previously, your Q here for the combination of 1, 0, okay, you already got the output to be 1. Okay, your Q is 1 and your Q bar is 0. Okay, initially you get the output of 1, 0. Okay, so now you give the input of S equivalent to 0, R equivalent to 0. Okay, both will be 0. Okay, so what will happen here? You can see that your output feedback from the previous condition is 1. So this one will be feedback to the input of your gates. Okay, this one is 1. Then this one will be converted as 0. So from here you can see that your Q will be the value of 0, 1. So 0, 1 means that the output should be 0. So this one will be same with the previous output. And 0, 0 is 1. So 0, 0, the output will be 1. Okay. So your Q will be 1 and your Q bar will become 0. So what you can see from these two conditions, okay, so this is the first output of your SR latch. Okay, the value is 1, 0. And then if the combination of 0, S equivalent to 0 and R equivalent to 0, the value also will be same. That's why it was called as a no change of memory. Okay. So we try to see the combination of our second value. Okay. So for the first initial value, your Q is 0 and your Q bar is 1. Okay. So you have the input of 0 and 0 because you want to know whether it keeps a memory or not. So you give the set to be 0, 0. Okay. So 0 will feed back to 0 again. 1 will feed back to 1. So you see here 0, 0 will produce the output of 1. Okay. So your Q bar will become 1 and your Q will become 1, 0. 1, 0 is 0 also. Okay. So from here it is clearly shown that this one will be, the next stage will be similar with your previous state. Okay. In which it was called as a memory of no change. Okay, no change from the previous output. Okay, and then the last one is 1, 1. So if the combination of S and 1 R is 1, 1. Okay, so if 1, 1 means that the set is 1 and the reset is 1. So if both input is 1, 1, so the output becomes 0, 0. So this one will be considered as invalid as Q is not inverted from what we have in the Q bar. So every time in the flip-flop, your Q must be inverted to your value of Q bar. So this one is invalid. We can use. Okay, so once you see all these operations, so this one is clearly, you can see the operation in the timing diagram. So from here, if the given input is 0, 0, initially the value is 0. So initial condition is 0. So based on the SR latch, the output for 0, 0 is no change. Means that your previous condition is 0. Okay, so if no change, this one will become 0. Okay, and then we have the second one is 1, 0. So you have to check for every particular state of the input. Okay, so 1, 0, the output will be set. So from 0, this one will become 1. 1 set. This one, no change. Okay, and then proceed to the second one. You can see here is 0, 0. Okay, so 0, 0, no change. So previous output is 1. So the next step also, we follow the previous output. So this one will become 1. Okay, and then this one 0, 1. So 0, 1, the output is set. So we set, this one will become 0. Okay, and then 0, 0, no change. So just follow the previous output is 0, 0, 1 is 0, we set. So this one becomes 0, 0, 0, this one, which is no change. So previous output is 0, so your next state also becomes 0. So you have to draw the timing diagram based on the input of your SR. Okay, so 1, 0, the output is set. So from 0, now it becomes 1. Okay, and then the rest is 0, 0. So 0, 0, no change. So your previous condition is 1. So if no change, just follow the previous output. So this one becomes 1. Okay, so you just need to refer to the operation of the SR, NOR, latch, and draw the timing diagram respectively.